Okay, welcome to Eternity in View Academy. Today I'll be sharing with you some step-by-step procedures on how to create a faceless AI video and monetize it and make money out of it at the end of the day. Okay, there are two ways to go about it. You can use ChatGTP and Fliki. Let's go with that. The first thing to do is to go to chatgtp.openai.com. That's the name of the site. Once you're there, you can command ChatGTP to give you a content. For me, let me just use an example of midnight prayers. Midnight prayers. 10 midnight prayers. These are short prayers. I can just use any of them. After getting your content from ChatGTP, it could be anything apart from the content I just got. You now go to fliki.ai. That's the site. After logging in, you can sign up, then later log in. You can log in with your Google account, but for me, I prefer logging with the Google account. I prefer doing that. After you log in with the Google account, okay, I'm having a network issue. Then click on new file. For me, I don't have to do a video, then look for another platform to do. I don't have to do an audio and then look for another platform to do a video. I can decide to do both my audio and video on this same platform. So you choose on video option. Okay, you choose the name of the file. For TikTok videos, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels, you can go for the ratio 9.6, but for YouTube videos you can go for 16.9. So click on it. You can do some other settings. I just want to show you the basics. You now come to start writing or paste script here. You paste your script that you've gotten from ChatGTP. From here, you can click on this preview for it to start playing for you. There are other settings, but I wouldn't want to go into that. You can check the website to get to know on some of the options. Okay, so having reached this place, you now play the video.
Nations and peoples.
Okay, now click on download. Download it. After you download, you will now have.
Lord, as I lift up the world to you in this mid.
So we're now done with this. Let's move to the next method. The next method is how to make use of this AI tool called InVideo.ai. InVideo.ai. InVideo.io. All you need to do is to sign. Just log into the website. After you log into the website, you can give it a command. Give me midnight prayer points. You can now ask it to generate. It will now generate for you. And one interesting thing about this website is that it will give you a topic, and apart from that, it will also give you titles of chapters. It will segment your videos into chapters, and it will name each of the chapters. So that's an amazing thing. And the website makes use of some stock story block videos And after generating the video for you, if there are some things that you're not okay with them, you can edit them in the video. You can edit them in the video before downloading them. Okay, click on continue. So your video is being generated. After some few moments, the video will be generated, and you have an option for edit if you want to edit some things. And if you like, you can also give the website a command to make some editing. You can also ask the website to give you auto captions. All these are things that are available in the website. And one thing that I want to share with you is, if you are done with the video and you want to export it, it will be exported with watermark. So for you to remove the watermark, please, you will have to make use of some methods, which I will be discussing that in my next video. So please, if you want to know how to remove watermarks from a video, please comment, let me know. And we have a WhatsApp group. You can just ask some questions there. We also have a Telegram channel. You can just search Eternity and View Academy, and it will pop up. You can join the Telegram, and if you have any question there, you can ask your questions, and I'll be there to make sure that I give you a soft landing. So we're waiting for this content to be created. Okay, I think this will take our time. There's a content that I've created already, which I have already downloaded as well. So let me just give us an example of how it looks like. Okay, in video, the content looks like this. Content looks like this.
In the tranquil silence of midnight, we find solace in prayer. A whisper in the dark, a plea to the heavens.
Okay, now this is the end result.
Pondered on the power of prayer in the midnight hours? Have you ever desired to tap into the tranquility and solitude of the night to connect with the divine? Well,
okay, now to export it, you click on export. You choose story stock watermark. You choose normal. You click on continue, and your video will now start downloading.